Risk Advisory KPMG in India, to quickly take us through the methodology of the awards. A very warm welcome.
Thank you. Respected speaker, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, it's yet another year for us as KPMG to partner with BT, and this is more than 20 years of partnership which we have always, really recognized, and we believe we are very proud of this partnership. Just to give you a quick snapshot of how we have approached this whole quantitative and qualitative analysis. As every year, we actually have a very stringent process. Our methodology is different from rest of the processes because we try and keep in the quantitative analysis very, very minimal judgment actually. Hardly any judgment is involved, purely on the data the financial statements throw up. And we also consider banks of a certain category. In one category, large banks, medium-sized banks, divided into a lakh and a crore, lakh crore above, 5 lakh crore above. So there is a kind of competitive kind of a situation in each category. For each of these banking sector awards that we have also over a period evolved our parameters we use. The growth, the scale and size are the three big kind of parameters which we have, within which actually we have more than 30 plus sub-parameters which we have tried to also keep, brushing it up every year depending on the way the economy is moving as well. So we take very big pride in the way our methodology is developed, and we have evolved in adding a new parameters as well as we have progressed. So that's the quantitative part of the awards that we have. And we have also added over the period NBFCs, and last few years you would have seen NBFCs also is being part of the analysis. The ranking ratings are all published in the BT magazine that you've seen. But what is important is the qualitative analysis as well. A number of hours are spent on the qualitative analysis as well. We seek data from the respective banks, NBFCs, and fintech companies. We have done a lot of analysis of that data. We independently also look at various parameters to make sure that whatever data is submitted by the respective banks, there is a authenticity with which they have arrived at those kind of data points. That data is presented to the eminent jury, which the speaker just talked about. We had a very eminent jury. We had discussions with the jury on the data. So quantitative plus qualitative has led to a very good mix what the jury has factored in, and the final awards are decided by the jury, and that's how the awards come in. We have various categories in banks, in NBFCs and fintechs, which have already been mentioned about, but primarily it's all about innovation, it's all about talent, it's also about the size, scale, and we also have the largest bank that we recognize every year. That is putting together whatever we do actually with rest of the data. So we are once again extremely proud, and congratulations to the winners in advance, and look forward to the award ceremony on this. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Mr. Vijay. Of course, as you said, this has been a wonderful partnership between KPMG and Business Today. As we begin with the awards ceremony, it is my honor once again to invite Shri Narvekar to kindly join us on the stage for the felicitation ceremony. I'd also like to invite back on stage Mr. Rahul Kaval, News Director TVTN and Executive Director Business Today, Mr. Alok Nair, COO Business Today, and once again, I'd like you to join us back on stage, Mr. Manoj Kumar Vijay, Office Managing Partner, Mumbai, and Head Risk Advisory, KPMG. Our first category, ladies and gentlemen, is Best Fintechs in Payments, Value-Added Services, and Lending. These are the jury awards, and the first category, in fact, ladies and gentlemen, are the category awards in innovation, fintech initiatives, and talent and workforce for banks and NBFCs. And these are the jury awards. The first category is the Best NBFC in Innovation. The award goes to Aditya Birla Capital. Congratulations to the team, and requesting Vijay Deshwal, Chief Strategy Officer and Head of Investor Relations at Aditya Birla Capital, to join us. A sharp customer-first focus has helped this NBFC gain a sounder and deeper understanding of customer profiles. Generous clapping is definitely encouraged. Thank you very much. We move on to the category of Best NBFC in Talent and Workforce, and this award goes to Mahindra Finance. We welcome Raul Rebello, MD and CEO, Mahindra Finance, and Manish Sinha, CHRO from Mahindra Finance, to please join us to receive the award. Learning and development is at the core for this NBFC, with the biggest investment going into its employees. Congratulations to the team from Mahindra Finance. We move now to the Best Bank in Innovation, and this award goes to State Bank of India. We welcome on stage Atul Kumar Jha, General Manager, SBI. Congratulations, sir. The SBI DigiGov platform in FY24 processed over 10 million transactions totaling 43,000 crore rupees. It's a big achievement, and congratulations to SBI. Next award in this category is the Best Bank in Talent and Workforce, and the award goes to Axis Bank, requesting Raj Kamal Vempati, President and Head HR, Axis Bank, to please join us to receive the award for Best Bank in Talent and Workforce. Thinking out of the box has helped in the process of talent recruitment. Short duration courses means a more robust pipeline and a higher proportion of women in the workforce. Congratulations to Axis Bank. Now move to the Best Fintechs in Payments, Value-Added Services and Lending. These are also the jury awards. The first category here is Best Fintech in Payments, and the winner is MobiKwik. Requesting Upasana Thakur, co-founder and CFO of MobiKwik, to please receive the award. Pocket UPI is an innovation that has transformed digital payments and given it a 24% market share. Let's have a round of applause, please, for MobiKwik. We're talking about the Best Fintech in Value-Added Services next, and the winner is Jokata. I'm pleased to welcome on stage Prashant Muddu, MD and CEO of Jokata. This Hyderabad-headquartered fintech firm, by empowering financial institutions, has achieved a 60% reduction in loan processing costs. We now move on to Best Fintech in Lending, and this award goes to Oxizo of Business, requesting Avinash Dubey, Business Head Oxizo, to please join us on stage to receive the honor. With a sharp focus on SMEs, this fintech unicorn intends to maintain a 30% growth in its assets under management, catering to over 5,000 SMEs. Its average ticket size is 2.5 crore rupees. Let's welcome the team with applause. first two sets of awards. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to thank you, Mr. Nair and Mr. Vijay, for being on stage. Kindly take your seats. For the next set of awards, I'd like to invite on stage Mr. Siddharth Zarabi, Editor, Business Today, and Mr. Parag Bise, Executive Director and CEO, Nucleus Software. Please join us on stage as we begin with the next categories. Next, we're moving on to the BT-KPMG Quantitative Non-Jury Winners, ladies and gentlemen. The first category under this set is the Best Small Finance Bank, and the winner is Ujjivan Small Finance Bank. Requesting Rajiv Pawar, Head of Treasury at Ujjivan Small Finance Bank, to join us to receive the award. The secret sauce here comes from a combination of factors including improved recoveries, reduced credit costs, and effective cost management. A round of applause for the winners, Ujjivan Small Finance Bank. The next category is the Best Small Bank, and the award goes to Karur Vaisya Bank. Welcoming the team from Karur Vaisya Bank, B. Ramesh Babu, MD and CEO of the bank. Welcome, sir, and congratulations. In the ultra-competitive retail and MSME segments, this bank has focused on CASA deposits. The plan is to up it on digital lending and providing funding solutions. We now have the award for Best Mid-Size Bank, and the award, ladies and gentlemen, goes to Bank of Maharashtra. Congratulations to the team. Requesting Girish Mohan Rao Thorat, GM and Zonal Manager, Bank of Maharashtra, to please join us and receive the award. A most impressive turnaround from a scenario of bad loans to becoming one of the most efficient public sector banks stands out for this bank. Central to this Mahaparivartan is a complete digital transformation using robotic process automation and AI-powered solutions. We now move on to the Best Large Foreign Bank, and this award goes to JP Morgan. A huge round of applause as I welcome Mr. Pranav Chavda, CEO, JP Morgan Bank Chase India. Welcome, sir. A clear focus on the wholesale segment, and within that, this foreign bank wants to get it right on mid-cap firms, those in the new economy, and also companies working on energy transition. The next award is the Best Large NBFC, and this award goes to Bajaj Finance. Congratulations to the team. Requesting Nitish Asthana, President Payments, Bajaj Finance, to please join us to receive the award. In less than 2 decades, this NBFC's product lines have grown from 4 to 26, loan dispersals from 1 million to 36 million. A round of applause, please, for the Best Large NBFC. We're talking about the next award, the Best Large Indian Bank, and the award goes to ICICI Bank. Requesting Sandeep Batra, Executive Director, ICICI Bank, to kindly join us to receive the award. Size, of course, does not come in the way of this entity. Mr. Bise, for being with us for this set of awards. Kindly take your seats, sir. I request all the other presenters to kindly remain on stage, as I'd like to invite Vishnu R. Dusad, MD and co-founder, Nucleus Software, to kindly join us for our final awards of the night. I think we can do better with the applause as our presenters join in. And we have the 2 big awards of the night, ladies and gentlemen. The Lifetime Achievement Award. The winner is Dinesh Kumar Khara, former chairman, SBI. What a moment this is, ladies and gentlemen. A focus on asset quality has defined his tenure at SBI. It did
This
pay
is
off.
a very special moment. Can I request Khara Saab to say a few words as all of us, can we have a very warm round of applause for this special winner and in this special category.
Thank you very much. First of all, I remember the moment when it was being debated, discussed. I felt little embarrassed because the kind of data, etc., which was there, I immediately decided to step out. But yes, of course, it took no time, perhaps, and I was called within 2 minutes' time by Mr. Jayant Sinha that it was no-brainer. Let me acknowledge that, I believed very simple things, and I always communicated to my team also in a very simpler way how we can do well. And my funda was that customer centricity, operating leverage, and financial leverage. These three things only I always focused. It was understood by, we have got a very large network of branches, 22,500 plus branches, and huge network of distribution channels. But then people actually came along, they acknowledged my confidence in them, and the bank has turned out to be a entity which is actually now beating in terms of the profitability as compared to many other banks and non-banks also. And now the bank is aiming to earn 1 trillion profit a year. That is what they are really aiming for, and I am quite confident that they can do it. Thank you very much once again to India Today and to the jury members for giving me this opportunity. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. You have indeed shown the way to the Indian banking sector. Thank you very much for being part of the jury and for being here with us at Business Today. Ladies and gentlemen, the final award of the night, and we want huge applause for this one, the Bank of the Year award, which goes to ICICI Bank. We welcome back Mr. Sandeep Batra, Executive Director of ICICI Bank, to receive this honor. The trust is on efforts and responsibilities rather than an obsession with results. With that kind of an approach, including the one bank, one team strategy, the objective has been to make products simpler to understand, decongest processes, and shun hard selling. It's truly paying off.
We won't let Sandeep go without saying a few words, because ICICI Bank is a very famous brand but very reticent with its words. So Sandeep, we have you here with us. Go ahead.
Got me. No, thank you. I just want to thank the jury and KPMG in Business Today for this honor. I think ICICI, as you said, is a 70 years old brand. We owe a lot to our predecessors and all the employees. I think every responsibility or every honor just enhances responsibility. So cognizant of that, and thank you so much for the honor, sir.
Thank you, sir, for being here, and congratulations again to the entire team. If I can, in fact, request you, sir, to kindly remain on stage. Mr. Batra, if I can call you back on stage, and all the other winners, please, to please join us on stage for the photograph of the night, isn't it? A group photo with all our winners at the BT Best Banks Awards. Marking the BT Banking and Economy Summit and the Best Banks Awards, all our winners on one platform. our presenters. Congratulations once again to all our winners. And once again, our huge thanks to all our partners, banking and tech innovation partner, Nucleus Software, knowledge partner, KPMG, and hospitality partner, Sofitel Mumbai BKC. That wraps up the awards tonight, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for being a wonderful and engaged audience. We invite you now for cocktails and dinner. Good night and thank you.